address again. Trying to go to this address. Actually, I want this address over here. 19. This has happened to me 3 times on previous versions. Simple. Drive straight. Turn right at the light. So now that I'm recording, it's probably not going to do it. But navigation straight. You know, if it's a Lyft ride under $5, I don't touch it. Again, under $5, not touching it. We're supposed to go straight. Oh, why? Why are we turning? It has always been doing that at that intersection, always. Now it can go straight and go back around to that address. But now it's doing something totally different. Strange navigation issues is what I keep running into. No clue why. And it seems to always do it at that intersection for some bizarre reason. Is it because the truck in front of me was turning it, so I started following the truck? Shouldn't do that. Mini cars turn many times in front of me on other roads. It doesn't follow them. Drive up onto the sidewalk for some reason. So, yeah, this is what I mean by, you know, having to take over for just dumb navigation issues. And this is completely a pointless navigation. And I have no clue why it does that. And so often. purposely disengaging here. And I want to try it one more time. Disengage there because I don't like to try to fight with the car to try to get it to turn. So now what we want to do is to go to this address here, but I want to disengage here. Even though it says it wants to do a U-turn anyway to go back this way. I could have let it, but I'll go ahead and try that. So let's see what happens this time. So far, 2 times in a row, it's always turned there at Pecan. And it's getting that time of day when some of the schools start letting out, and I really hate driving around here during that time. You get so many students using Uber for pickup at school. It's not as bad now of everything that's going on, but previously, man, it was always turn soon and get back in that right-hand lane. We have no cars in front of me. Now, is it going to go straight this time, or is it going to turn anyway? If I would have left it in that lane, it probably would have gone straight. But I'm seeing no indications that it's going to turn. So maybe it's because for some reason there was a vehicle in front of me. Could it be that turning vehicles yield to bike and pedestrian sign? I don't know if you can see it over here. Could that be what it's seeing, or I don't know. Well, it looks like it's going to go straight this time. So whenever I had a vehicle in front of me turning, it always seemed to keep turning there. Yeah, now it's doing it properly. But yeah, you see what I mean. Just dumb navigation. Why did they do it before? I don't know. Anyway, just wanted to capture that. Have a good day.